In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format and beautify code in Dreamweaver. Let's dive right in. First, open Dreamweaver on your computer. This is your starting point for working with your code files. Dreamweaver is a powerful tool for web development, and opening it up is like stepping into a well-equipped workshop. Once you have Dreamweaver open, the next step is to open your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript file. These are the files that contain the structure, style, and interactivity of your website. Opening the correct file is essential because this is where you'll be making your formatting changes. Simply navigate to the file you want to work on and open it up within Dreamweaver. Now click on Code View. Code View allows you to see and interact with the raw code directly. This view is important because it gives you complete control over the code formatting process. You can find the Code View option in the toolbar, and once you click it, you'll be able to see the lines of code clearly. Next up, select the code you want to format. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the lines of code. Selecting the code is a crucial step because it tells Dreamweaver exactly what part of your file you want to beautify. Make sure to select all the relevant lines for a smooth formatting process. After selecting your code, go to the menu and navigate to Commands. Then choose Apply Source Formatting. This is where the magic happens. By applying source formatting, Dreamweaver automatically tidies up your code. It ensures that your code is easy to read and maintain, which is highly beneficial for long-term development. Dreamweaver will automatically indent your code, align your tags, and organize the spacing. This automation saves you time and reduces errors in your code structure. Indenting the code makes it visually organized, aligning tags ensures consistency, and organizing spacing improves readability. Each of these actions contributes to creating clean, professional-looking code. With that ready, it's time to save your file. Saving your changes is crucial because it ensures that all your formatting adjustments are preserved. Click the Save icon or use the shortcut keys to save your work. You'll want to make this a habit to prevent any loss of progress. Now check the code again in Code View. Take a moment to look over the newly formatted code. This step is important because it gives you a chance to review the changes and ensure everything looks just right. You'll see that the code is now neatly aligned and much easier to interpret. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully formatted and beautified your code in Dreamweaver. This process not only makes your code cleaner, but also enhances its maintainability and readability. Remember, well-formatted code is a hallmark of a professional developer. It makes collaboration with others smoother and future modifications simpler. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!